this is the camp that I'm looking forward to every year, and like I always just want to be here. I'm like, all right, the O'Neill, like I'm ready for it, you know?
I just keep coming back because it's probably like the highlight of my year.
I would say it's gonna be the hardest thing, but the funnest thing you've ever done.
It's a commitment. It's a really tough commitment. You're taking 2 weeks out of your summer vacation to come here every day and put in the work, and the work is definitely worth it.
Not only is it super fun and you get to meet so many people, but it really just helps you improve on your craft and really just try new things with your stage presence, and it's just a really great thing to kind of have this experience. Finally having a way to like show all of the progress you've made and what you've been working so hard on is just so rewarding.
Everyone wants you to do your best. It's like a tiny little paradise.
It's a special, special 2 weeks. You walk away a different person. I hope that I'm equipping them with material that they can one day take into a legit audition. Come in with that work ethic and the desire to be an artist, to make good music, to handle the material the way that it was written and intended to be. That's all I can expect from